What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Fittwave Year in Review. I'm your host and head coach, Coach Austin. First off, I want to thank you so much for checking out Fittwave and joining our site. You can check out my profile at that Physique Coach. But this is because all of you guys, if it wasn't for you getting in these exercises, no matter where you're at, we wouldn't be here. So let's get into the numbers a little bit here today. First things first, our podcast, we had over 12 hours of streaming content that we're able to do, and we are able to effectively hit 5 countries regularly where we can impact a lot of people's lives just by giving out information that we want to do for free for you guys so that you can live your best life and move into 2025 successfully. Now, moving forward, as we continue to getting in here, we're going to talk about our weight loss clients. You guys are our favorites just because you have done the hardest and most challenging work this year, focusing on you, taking time to say, hey, you know what? Mindset wise, I'm ready to lock in. After 120 days, we had 80% retention in our new startup clients in 2024, and that was able to hold into the new year, guys. That is pretty unheard of. A normal attrition rate is about 30 to 70%, and we had just 20% on average, which is killing it. So I just want to give you that attrition, meaning like people losing weight slowly and losing their mindset and just quitting all coaching. So we are industry leading in that category. Additionally, we are focused on losing weight for you guys, and we effectively do that by using technology like an Apple Watch, a Fitbit, even this like our smart rings to help track that. And so over this year, you guys, we got over 1,000 pounds in weight loss. Actually, the exact number is 1,175, 1175, guys. And then last but not least, the 5-star reviews. I can't say how much effort and focus that you guys had in 2024, and I want to thank you. Additionally, when we look into some things like our group fitness competitions and a lot more stuff we're putting on here in the future, we can't wait to expand. We had 2 group fitness competitions, one in the spring, one in the fall, and we had 2 different leaders coming from all over the United States, and we had over 60 people participate in that. So that was pretty fantastic. All online, available to you at your fingertips. So let's get into it. Our physique competitors, right? So we focus on getting people great results with their health and physique. So additionally, we got people off medications. We were able to get them physique goals. So these are our athletes for this year. Let's get into our results. So this year we had 100% top 3 placing for every single competitor at every single show. We had 1 pro card won this year and several very close runner-ups. So I can't wait to see these individuals compete next year and continuing with our 5-star rating. We also had a top 5 placing at nationals for our NPC competitor and 3 national qualifiers. That means first or second in their height class in the open category in the NPC. And then let's get into it. Our new features with the app, some things for you guys can get excited for heading into 2025 is our new app download and new clothing access for 2025 so we can get physique and fitness results and look good. I'm wearing the Fittwave tank currently, the same exact color actually that we have on here, but we also have our sleeper build hat and our athleisure wear. So here's some things that I want to take away for you moving into 2025. We're going to have several blogs coming up in value talking about fitness and how to get results using technology. And so I'm going to put out here pretty soon some recommended fitness tech. You can actually message me to get started in talking about this. Lastly, before we finalize everything here today, got to give our posing sponsor and bikini sponsor, Angel Competitions Bikini, a huge shout out for this year and getting our clients, especially our women here, posing suits, practice suits, even functional suits that work great for their lifestyle. So moving into 2020.